Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can adding music on the CapCut apps. So actually, this is very simple, this is very easy, but maybe there are also those who don't know how to do it. So let me show you how. After you add video or photo to edit, you select the sound below. Just click on it and then select sound. So there are several options. You can choose to add a sound. So you can select the TikTok sound, which is you can add a sound from TikTok, and you can select a sound from your files. You can extract it from the video. Just select the video to extract the audio, and you can select from the library, which is this the import from iTunes to PC. I don't know, but you can also add the music from from CapCut available here. For example, I'm going to select my sound from files. Just click on it. So you can see the sound has been added to your video, and you can adjust for the sound. Just click on the sound and you can adjust for the volume. You can add the voice effect. You can add beat, speed, reduce noise. That's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.